In this video, I'll show you how to copy the link of your Roblox profile. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Only for some reasons, let's say your friend wants to get your Roblox profile link so as he can share to his friends and family, or he can follow you up, or you guys can connect, right? What you're going to do, basically head over to your Roblox, right? This is roblox.com, and for you to be able to see your profile link, what you're going to do now, you're going to click on your profile, right? Once you click on your profile, it's gonna load up, right? And once it has loaded up, you're gonna be able to get your profile link right away. Yeah, so I just clicked on my profile right here, and once I clicked on my profile, this is what's gonna display right here, and this is your Roblox profile link. This thing, like this link above here, is your Roblox profile link. So if you want to invite your friends, let's say they can connect with you, they can follow you, you can follow them back, you can be their friends, right? So this is what's going to send to them. This, it's pretty easy, just this. So if you found this video helpful, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I hope you found this educational video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions you want to ask me. I'll be pretty happy to help you guys the very best way I could. I'll see you all in the very next one.